Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a tower USB power strip. And the company that makes this is right there, TOYOC. And you can see that this is a vertical tower, so that you can save a lot of space. Now, this product is unique in a couple different ways. It has 4 USB ports on the side right here. You have two 2.1 amps and two 1 amp ports. There is a power switch and an indicator to allow you to enable and disable these. It has 8 120 volt or 110 volt ports on here, plugs, receptors, whatever you want to call them. You have to make sure that you don't exceed 2,500 watts for all 8 of them. And that works out to be about 312 watts per socket, or about 2.84 amps per socket. So don't exceed that. If you do exceed that, or you have something that exceeds that 2,500 watts, there is a reset button on the bottom. So this will essentially pop the fuse, and you'll be able to reset it right there once you correct the problem. Now, another thing unique about this is on the top of this, it has 2 separate switches, and this switch defines the power to this side, and this one the power to this side. That's pretty nice, so that you can turn this off and on independent from these ones in the front here. Now, these are grounded, and it goes to a US 110 volt grounded plug. Another thing really nice is this plug right here has a very flexible cable. And this is really long. It's about almost 10 feet long, 9.8 feet long, heavy duty cable, so that you can have a long distance to your plug and then have all your plugs available on your table wherever you're going to use this. It just helps you reduce clutter by having something like this. So we're going to demonstrate how this works. We're going to plug this in. Right here, I've got a 110 volt outlet. Before I do that, I also want to mention that this is all fireproof ABS plastic, and of course they have surge protectors on it to protect you. And it is UL listed. It doesn't say that on the package, but it does have certifications right here, and the manufacturers told me that it is UL listed. They just didn't put that on the product. So without these switches pushed, these outlets, all 8 of them, will not be enabled. It's important to note that there's no power to the USB port unless you have the power switch turned on right here. And what that's going to do, that's going to allow power to these 4 outlets and to the USB port. Now, to use this USB port is really simple. I'm just going to demonstrate it. Take your USB cable and you plug it in depending on the current that you want to use. And I'll just use a LED flashlight right here, and I'll plug it in. And you can see in the bottom of the flashlight that it is glowing red. And if I were to shut that switch off, it stops charging. So you have control of those 4 ports. Very simple to use. You can charge your cell phones, you can charge any USB device, and it has 2.1 amps or 1 amps. So it's up to you how much you want to utilize out of these ports. So now I'm going to demonstrate how the power switches work. I have a light right here, and I'm going to plug it into one of the ports, and you can see that this isn't on anymore because I turned it off on top. So if I push that there, then you get power to these 4 ports. And I want to point out that they have the hot and neutral flipped on the opposing side, which is probably a good idea, just so that depending on your cable you're going to use. Now, if I go to this side right here, the back side, and I plug this in right there, so you have nothing until I hit the power switch right there. And again, that enables all 4 of them with the hot and neutral flipped, just like that. Very nice design and very stable. It seems to be weighted, and it has rubber on the feet of it also. so you're not going to have a problem with this thing moving around. Very functional, simple product, and it's going to help you reduce clutter on your wherever you got your computer, your PC, your laptop, your Apple products. This will reduce clutter considerably. So as you can see, this is a very functional product, very simple to use, and my overall impression is this is very well built, and I like it, and I think you're going to like it also. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this video, please hit the like button also. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.